Can I invest in Australia properties without visiting Australia in person? Yes, you absolutely can. A lot of our foreign clients have bought properties in Australia without even coming or without even looking at the properties. And these could be property investors or their parents buying properties for their kids to live in. Now, most of these times, because of the technology that we have nowadays, we can send videos, photos to the client. We can even take you on a video call to look at the property if they're already completed. We will show you around and talk you through the properties that you're looking at. And many times, if these properties are not built yet, there are virtual tools. Not every project has access to these, but whenever the developer provides this service, we can send you 3D floor plans, virtual tours. So there are many ways that you can actually look at the surroundings and the properties without coming here. But of course, we will welcome you if you decide to make a trip to Australia, especially Melbourne or Perth, to look at properties that you're interested in.